So here we are today, and we're demolding a couple of casts, two lion casts in this video. They come in a pair, ornaments of the garden, or wherever you want to put them. So we're just demolding there. Unfortunately, with the casts, we had a few bug holes again. After tapping manually and putting them on the vibrating table, which you would have seen in recent videos. Just tidying up the base there. We'll do that on both the statues. Probably the reasons for that, which you might bump into with the bug holes, is obviously not tapping enough, and if you're using a vibrating table, it may not be set up right either. I keep moving mine around. It doesn't really want. I don't really want to be doing that. Really, it wants to be in just the same place, set up so it vibrates nicely. So anyway, we're going into more detail on that in another video. So we'll use these casts for special effects, like I said with the other cast that had bug holes in, and we'll use those in some special effects paint jobs later on. So all wrapped up, watered down, and that's the curing. That's one whole bag of cement with all those casts. And that's about it for now. So just a quick video casting and some random pictures, some casts and concrete bits and pieces in the garden. So anyway, thanks for watching and see you soon.